Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Today I wanted to explain some of the deep intricacies of the alchemy process. Listen. Physical, physiological, psychological, neurological. These various levels of you, physical, physiological, psychological, neurological. These various levels of you is interconnected and have their own systematic way of responding to each other. Understand carefully? If you physically eat something which upsets your stomach, you will see the effect of that in your physiological, psychological, neurological level. Understand? A wrong meal can even shatter your identity. Listen carefully. Single wrong meal can shatter your identity. You are that fragile till you start practicing integrity and authenticity. That is why I say practicing integrity and authenticity is only literally giving birth to yourself. Till you start practicing integrity and authenticity, you are not even considered human being. Because a single wrong meal is enough to shatter your whole identity. One day cough or cold or allergy is enough. You will be vomiting irritation on a person who revere and love most in your life. The person whom you revered, loved, worshipped literally, your whole life, you will vomit your irritation and agitation, anger on that person, just one day, 24-hour cold. Physical, physiological, psychological, neurological. A simple gas in the stomach is enough for your neurology to project your whole life is doomed, you are in hell. You don't need gas chamber. Gas in the chamber is enough. You don't need a gas chamber to make you feel life is hell. Gas in the chamber is enough. Little bit of gas in the chamber is enough. If your bladder is full, your neurology, all dreams are neurological experience. Your neurology can build a restroom. I always tell, if you see a restroom in the dream, don't use it. It's a trap. Same way, if your body is filled with hormones, it just like how when your bladder is full, your neurology is capable of building a restroom and giving you the comfort to use it in the dream. When your hormone is full or low, when it is full, it can make somebody really look handsome or beautiful. When it is low, it can really make even God look like a devil. Understand? When your hormones are high, neurologically, psychologically, physiologically, physically, you can literally feel somebody is extremely handsome and beautiful. When it is low, when the hormone is low, even Devi becomes devil. Add L. Of course, I am not talking about Parashakti, Adishakti. No. You may be behaving literally like a great Devi with all love, compassion in your whole life. The moment hormone goes low, that's all. You become devil. Listen carefully. These interconnected happenings is what I call ups and lows. This is your chemistry. A simple horror movie clip for 5 minutes, I think even 5 minutes is not, 3 minutes is enough. All your years of unclutching gone. You are shivering. Listen. This whole chemistry you go through, the ups, downs, the chemistry of physical, physiological, psychological, neurological, ups and downs. That same chemistry, if somebody understands it and uses for enlightenment purpose, that is called alchemistry. How a simple meal can make you lose your identity, a simple product can regain your Sadashivatva. How a cold can make you lose your connection with yourself, a certain heat can make you connect with your Sadashivatva. Brahmacharya is nothing but tempering the glass. Understand? If you want to strengthen a glass, how you temper it? Heat it and put it in the water. Just like that. If your body can be tempered, Brahmacharya becomes just a lifestyle. It is just a tempering, nothing else. Thousands of things, extraordinary experiences, powers can be made permanent neurological, physiological, psychological, physical experience in you through these alchemy products, through this alchemy science. Alchemy science can make your vessel, body and mind, capable of receiving and holding the ultimate enlightenment forever. See, in this cup I can pour only the hot coffee. I can't pour the molten gold. For that, the cup need to become a stone cup. Only then I can pour the molten gold, melted gold. The alchemy products will make you melt the stone pot. Then I can pour the melted gold. Means literally enlightenment into you. It can stay in the system. This whole spiritual alchemy science is raising your physical, physiological, psychological, neurological state to the highest peak possibility. To the peak possibility. And making you stay there permanently. Making you stay there permanently. Understand? One of the biggest problem we have, all the seekers face, is they get the state but lose it. So this time I decided the uniqueness of Sadashivoham is through the proper spiritual alchemy products not losing the state. Understand? Sometimes people ask me, what is something special? What I went through in Sadashivo, what I went through in Shivoham and Nityanandoham, now what is going to be special in Sadashivoham? Listen. Not losing the highest states you experience through the spiritual alchemy products is the speciality of this Sadashivoham. That is a speciality. That's a uniqueness of this Sadashivoham. A properly organized, arranged alchemy products. Literally, the life energy of Sadashiva, bioenergy of Sadashiva is getting prepared with the whole spiritual alchemy products. The energy field is getting ready. The Ashtalingas, which is going to hold the Garbha, exactly how Arunachala, Tiruvannamalai is energized by Sadashiva to be a spiritual incubator, with that same science, Ashtalinga is going to be installed. The lingas are ready, holding the Garbha and creating an energy field for this Sadashivoham process. So, get ready. Sadashiva is getting ready. Let your I, Aham, also get ready to receive it. He is preparing so much to give it. You get ready to receive it. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.